We're live at the L&T Finance Race 25 and in conversation with Mr. Ramesh Ettal. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
My first question to you is that what exactly do you think are going to be the key trends that will facilitate and catalyze the deployment of AI?
I think the advent of agentic AI is certainly going to change things for us. It's already done. We've already had a few strong stories that we can share about, but I think this is going to be an area of agentic AI. It's going to be an era of agentic AI. There are two strong areas we're looking at. One is in terms of automating a lot of our workflows, fairly standardized workflows that are happening today within our processes, which we are going to automate. The second thing that we are going to look at is also around automation and contextual finance. Two strong areas. I think we can bring a lot of AI intelligence into that, and we are making a lot of initial experiments in this space.
Quite fantastic. What exactly are some high impact areas where you're seeing AI making some measurable impact?
Today, for example, you might have seen yesterday in our event, we demonstrated the applicability of Cyclops to the credit underwriting process. Cyclops, as everyone knows, is the most advanced credit engine available in the industry today. And we've built it over the first 4 months of last year and then rolled it out and perfected it over 18 months. We've had zero downtimes, and I joke with my colleagues that Cyclops doesn't blink because it's been engineered for zero downtime. This is one of those classic cases of deployment of very strong AI first principles in terms of how that software has been engineered and also being run in production today. We have predictive monitoring of all parameters of the software with telemetry for your APIs, for your external interfaces, for your databases, going in and performing active scaling operations or any other remediation actions that needs to be taken. So it's a very strong case for us in terms of how AI can actually be applied directly to our industry problems.
Quite fantastic and powerful. Thank you very much for having this conversation with us.
Thank you.